I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Steve Cahillane. He is the chairman and CEO at Kellanova. Steve, it is wonderful to have you here. Congratulations.
It's great to be here. Thanks for having me. And thanks for the congratulations. It's a big day. We're very excited.
It's a big, exciting day, a new era, and you rang the opening bell this morning to celebrate. So now tell me, what excites you most about the future?
I think just the unlock of the great growth opportunities we have in front of us. I mean, Kellanova going forward is going to be 80% snacking in emerging markets. A high growth business, 5 differentiated brands driving our performance: Pringles, Cheez-It, Rice Krispies Treats, Eggo. I mean, these are great brands, beloved by consumers in this country and around the world. And you know, we get to work on those brands each and every day, and we get to talk about creating something new, something for the future, but built on the 117-year heritage of what Mr. Kellogg himself started.
So Steve, now tell me about your renewed vision and strategy and how you see this coming to life.
Yeah, so we call it differentiate, drive, and deliver. And I mentioned our 5 differentiated brands. I mean, there's only one Pringles. It's iconic, it's beloved around the world. You know, we're just gonna drive a better performance for us, and we're gonna deliver for our retailers, our consumers, our share owners, and our people. And so we're excited about the new strategy. We still keep our Better Days foundation, so we're still a very philanthropic organization. The values that Mr. Kellogg started all those years ago are the lifeblood of the company.
And why was now the right time to pursue a spinoff?
Well, I think, you know, this is the right time because the cereal business is absolutely set up for success as their own standalone business, driving, you know, performance of these iconic cereal brands. And it's the best opportunity for us as we think about driving a growth agenda going forward. We had launched Deploy for Growth as a strategy 6 years ago. It's not a victory lap, but we did get the company back to growth through brands and differentiation in emerging markets. And so it's really the next chapter of what we've been building for the last many years.
All right, and finally, Steve, tell me a little bit about the significant role that emerging markets will play in Kellanova's growth.
So it's going to be 30% of our business going forward. And despite the volatility that is ever present in emerging markets, we continue to have double-digit growth in all of our emerging markets around the world. Perhaps our most important is Africa and West Africa, Nigeria, biggest economy in Africa, highest population in Africa. We are the biggest food company in Africa with an advantaged route to market, fantastic brands, an 80% share of the noodles business, a growing snacks business. I mean, the future of all of our emerging markets is incredibly bright.
All right, well, congratulations again, Steve. And it's wonderful to have you in Floor Talk. Thanks for joining me.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me.